Building a presentation usually means spending hours manually outlining slides, summarizing long documents, and retyping key points into bulleted lists. I am Coach BK Han, and today we're using the AI hustle generation methodology to speed that process up. By following this workflow, you can transform a stack of raw research documents into a fully drafted, exportable slide deck in under 6 minutes using Google's NotebookLM. This shifts your role from a manual copywriter to a strategic editor, allowing you to focus on the final output instead of the initial data entry. This diagram shows the 3-column layout of NotebookLM. We start here on the far left in the Sources column. This is where we control exactly what the AI is allowed to read. You can upload PDFs, Google Docs, or web URLs directly into this panel to create a specific knowledge base for your project. NotebookLM relies on source grounding, meaning it only pulls from what you provide. To ensure the AI doesn't lose focus, only upload high-quality, relevant materials that are specific to your presentation topic. Once your sources are in, we move to the middle chat column to give the system its instructions. We paste in our custom prompt here, instructing the AI to act as a presentation copywriter that uses only the provided sources to draft our slides. Applying this specific persona narrows the AI's focus. It directs the system to prioritize the structured requirements of a slide deck over a general conversational response. Now look at the diagram's right column, the Studio panel. This is where the creative outputs live. We'll click the button labeled Slide Deck to start the generation. NotebookLM instantly synthesizes your documents into a slide-by-slide outline, complete with on-screen bullet points and detailed speaker notes. While the AI handles the bulk of the drafting, the first version will likely need some localized refinements to match your specific voice. This texture view highlights the 2026 Pencil UI feature. You'll find it right next to each individual slide in the outline. Clicking this icon allows you to issue micro-commands. You can tell the AI to shorten specific bullet points or adjust the phrasing on just one slide. This localized editing is a major advantage because it lets you refine specific errors without forcing the AI to regenerate the entire deck, which keeps all your high-quality sections completely intact. With the content refined, the final step inside the tool is clicking Export and selecting the standard .pptx file format. At this point, you have a solid draft, but NotebookLM doesn't natively apply your specific brand fonts or hex code colors to the exported file. This diagram represents standard presentation software, like PowerPoint or Google Slides. We open our file here and navigate to the master slide to input our brand background color, hex code E6E6FA. We set the background to light purple, update the typography to a bold sans serif font, and pin our logo to the top right corner. By making these changes on the master slide, your branding instantly applies to every slide in the AI-generated deck. You've successfully moved from raw data to a finished presentation by using AI for the heavy synthesis and standard software for the final brand polish. We've bypassed hours of manual outlining and summarizing by using a structured, source-grounded workflow that delivers a full draft in minutes. If this workflow saved you time, subscribe to the YouTube channel to keep up with the latest from the AI hustle generation. You can also join our school community for deeper walkthroughs on integrating these AI systems into your professional life. The heavy lifting of document synthesis no longer requires manual sorting or retyping. As shown here, NotebookLM allows you to process dense materials into usable slides while maintaining the accuracy of your original sources. Connect with Coach BK Han to scale your AI workflow today.